Hi and welcome back. In this video I would like to discuss this and alias keywords. And how does the combination alias-this work? Let's dive into the code so we can better understand today's topic. This is a simple program. It converts Celsius to Fahrenheit and then prints the result. I create a Celsius to Fahrenheit object and assign 36 degrees Celsius. Then I use the announce function to print the output. It takes a string and a double variable as arguments. What you should have noticed is that the function accepts Celsius to Fahrenheit object even though it expects a double variable. So how is this possible? Let's take a closer look at the class. A Celsius variable is declared and then it is initialized using the constructor. We're using this keyword in order to initialize Celsius. Since we have two variables with the same name, we need to somehow differentiate between them. This keyword is used to refer to the current instance of the class. In other words, when we're saying this.Celsius, we refer to the class variable, when simply Celsius refers to the constructor's argument. Some people prefer to do it this way, others use different names for variables. Let's move on. Below the constructor, the class declares and implements convert function that translates Celsius to Fahrenheit. In the very end, we have an alias-this combination. At first, we need to understand what alias keyword does on its own. Let's return to the main function and take a look at this piece of code. Alias keyword assigns aliases to existing names. You can use any existing type and create an alias for it. As I'm doing here with convert to Fahrenheit class, now I can refer to it as C to F. Here is another example. Some people really like the way Rust named their data types, and they wish they could have the same. It is possible to create aliases for Dlang's data types and use them instead. Now that we know the individual meanings of this and alias keywords, let's discuss what does the combination alias-this do. Alias-this enables automatic type conversions. The syntax is the following: alias, then comes the member variable or member function, and this. I'm using the convert function that returns double. Now, whenever I pass Celsius to Fahrenheit object to the announce function that expects a double variable, it will implicitly call the convert function and return the double value. And then the announce function prints that value to the screen. Alright, that's it for today. See you next time.